It's angry. It's not happy.
No, it's not happy.
It's unlocked now.
Is it?
Yeah. I got Brett here with his new bike. Hey Brett, welcome. Man, you look really good on that bike. This is Crua, a bit of a lost town now, or a forgotten town, with the new bypass had gone through there a few years ago, from north to south. Yeah, not a bad place to pull in and check it out. You know, it's nice and quiet, usually very quiet through the week, and just as quiet on weekends. This is meant to be a short ride up and around Wars River, down through back at Dungog and back home, for Brett to ease into his new bike and get used to it. But this would have to be one of the worst rides, short loop rides I think I've done this year. There's no two ways about it. Everything went wrong, nothing went right. Anyway, sit back, enjoy our disastrous ride. Got Brett, he's feeling his new bike out. He's about to hit his first bit of dirt. Last time we came through here, it was wet. He had his African twin with those Motos Traxxinators, which were they were slipinators. They were terrible tyres. Yeah, here he is. Quite green on the new bike. I've got to give it to it. He does sit on it well. He's happy. Oh no, he wants to be up front. Right, wee. Righto, I'll go up front then. I'll do that. Saves me getting dust all over me. What a fantastic day. We've picked another weekday.
On Branch Lane, which is notoriously loose compared to most other tracks that we've
been
on.
Oh, she's loose.
Yeah, so I've got it on your mode. So what you've got on the 790, you've got rally mode. Is it the level 5?
I've got a level 5, usually around level 5, level 6. That's where I sort of hang it.
Yep. So giving that a shot, and it's going to take it real easy and get a good feel for it.
Yep. As long as you're having fun, mate.
Gearing's massive. Like this thing here, I haven't had one of those for 2.5 years, dude. I don't know what this does.
Yeah, you do now.
And I'm sitting in the back of my
Well, that was interesting.
That is...
Fucking that sent down already.
There she is. It's unlocked now.
Is it?
Yeah. You sure?
Yeah. Because I wouldn't... Look at the skid bar.
Yeah, right. So you actually hit the brakes and it locked up?
Yeah, touched the brake, locked up, wouldn't unlock.
You're right. Want me to just take it for a quick run?
Yeah, I do actually.
We'll just get him over here so I can just get up on it. Geez, lucky you had your bark busters on, mate.
Yeah, I know, right?
Wow, it's not a great start. Just move that rock. I'll just take it for a quick run. I'll just touch the back brake and see what it does. Okay. That's so bizarre.
It's on level 5.
Hey?
Level 5. Yeah, fucking less than 100 k's. All this shit sitting in here.
Yeah, no, it's not locking on. They are touchy, I'll give him that. I think he's just hit it too hard. Feels okay. I think it's just a bit, I don't know, I just say, maybe a bit scared, not frightened, but yeah, I guess, maybe. It seems to be fine. It seems okay, mate. That's all right. That was weird. I'm not saying that Brett's imagining it, but yeah, no, it seems to be fine. No, I'm just touching. It's not doing anything. It's fine.
I know what the problem is. It's operator error.
And
I've just panicked and.
I think you have. They are very touchy, mate.
Yeah, I reckon I have. And then what it's done, I've skidded, just lost it.
You've done the old holy shit and just hang on.
Hold and lay down.
Yeah.
Anything on the helmet?
No, mate, just the noggin that's in it.
Mate?
It's got some good power. It's got a little bit more than mine, I could tell. Yeah. I took up redline about 5 times.
What did Sharpie say yesterday?
Oh, Struth.
Alright, let's try that again.
I'll let him up front. Oh no, I'll go up front for a bit. I'll see how he is. He just flew past. I think he's getting better. His confidence might be building a bit more. He hasn't had a great day at all, Brett. Anyway, let him up in front for a bit. Let some of this dust settle. It's been a very, very dusty day. I'll give it that. This will take us to Stroud. Right. Oh, where's he off to? Off the left there. I'm glad I didn't see that. Righto. I have not been down there before. Off the left, righto. There you go. I would have kept going. Oh wow, okay. No, I haven't been down here. Properties through here. Easily spooked. Great little town, Stroud. That pub there is brilliant. Yeah, it's great just doing a little local ride today. Like 160k little loop. Very slippery gravel, even slipperier when you get up it. Man, that's dusty.
I'm going to go so slow, my nerves are shot. That's it. That one did me coming around that corner.
Seen that truck?
It wasn't for me mucking around with that rear brake and then slowing down. That's like, I'm going to go real slow now.
Oh, log truck's up that way. Right, we should be right now. Oh, wow. This is absolutely beautiful through here. Mavis. Look at that said. This is nice. Yeah.
Purple what? What the fuck is that?
Well, last time I've done that, had to reset it or some shit.
Mate, today can go suck it. I'm
Mate,
sorry.
Because it went to go to home position, seen the tree, stopped and came down to that position there. I'm not tall enough to grab it.
I think we'll just go to the pub.
Hey?
I think we'll just go to the pub. This is fucked. Someone's going to die today. I think it's time to go.
Well, I think the drone's going to die if I don't get it. It'll probably just land on those rocks. That is so bizarre.
Fuck.
Is there a reset button? Is it in any way reset? How do you reset this? Can we reset it and then it'll probably land? Man, this has got to be the...
It's the worst fucking day, man.
It's
telling
well,
you.
this is worse than the first day, my first ride of the year.
My that fall on my left knee is fucking killing me.
Oh, really?
I need food to go and have painkillers if I got in my pocket. We can't do that because it's in fucking flight.
Looks like you can see something there now.
No, it's aircraft not connected.
Oh, wow. It's slowly drifting away.
Turn off. Alright, turn off. Stay. The blades are too close to try and pull it down. I want a stick to be able to bring it down.
No, it'll fucking break it.
Yeah, I don't want that.
Like, I think after the while...
Just let it start up and see if it catches it.
Even if you try and push it sideways over this way, mate. Oh, it's angry. It's not happy.
No, it's not happy.
Oh.
Fuck yeah. It doesn't want to go, hey?
Nah.
It's like in that hover mode, it just does. Fuck. I just needed to come down a bit. So
Yeah.
So I can grab it, because I can, like, it's just there.
Yeah, I know. That's where I was with it. I don't.
What's this?
Well, it will run out of battery life, so it should just land, shouldn't it?
Truck, move the bikes.
Fuck me.
Fuck. Guess they're coming through here now.
Yeah. Where the fuck is it?
Still there, same spot. Oh,
Must just landed.
landing. Come on. No.
Shit! Oh, fuck.
Fucking beautiful, that's alright. It'll just, but it didn't even hit the props hard. Down. There's some bad juju today, man. That's it. There's some seriously bad juju around.
Stroud. 15. Right, looks like we're going straight ahead. We were going to go that way, but Brett, yeah, I don't think he's real keen. Oh no, we're off our track. We're going to go back to Stroud Pub, have a bit of lunch, going to wrap it up. This is Stroud Pub. I've decided just to get a kid's chicken burger because I didn't really feel like much, but that's like twice the size of a burger you get from McDonald's.
It's better than burger you get from
What the hell is
Macca's,
that?
mate.
Is that like a...
That's the Southern Fried Chicken Burger.
Let's try that sauce, mate.
Yeah, go for it.
I just want to taste it.
Knowing your luck, it's probably going to be spicy.
No, it's all duck. It's spicy.
I don't mind spicy.
All right, we're going to call it for this trip. I had a good ride, but didn't have so much of a great ride. So anyway, that's it.